Hello friends, in this video I will talk about the Android 10 update of Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, so let's watch.
Friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus Android 10 beta program has finally ended. Samsung is rolling out the final Android 10 build to those who participated in the beta program. The update that has been released for beta users has the same firmware version as the update that rolled out to Android Pie users earlier this week. The update is available in India for beta testers, and also for those who weren't part of the beta program can now download the Android 10 update as well. The update comes with the January 2020 security patch, which was also released as part of a regular security update in some markets earlier this month. With both Android 10 Beta and Android Pie users now getting Android 10 on their Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, all of Samsung's eligible flagship smartphones have been updated to the latest version of Android and One UI. It will take some time for the Galaxy S9 update to reach all countries, though we should see availability of the update expand quickly now that the initial release has taken place. You can download the update through FOTA by going into Software Update menu. The update size is about 1.8 GB for non-beta users and 137 MB for beta users. So friends, this is the latest news regarding Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Thanks for watching the video and also subscribe my channel for more tech videos. Peace out.